learners, and welcome back to our channel, that is Pendulum EDU. And in today's vocabulary session, we've got a brand new article for you from this newspaper, The Hindu. Let's start with it without wasting any time of ours and yours. Now, the article is a premeditated act is not an unintended error. Now, what does this particular statement actually mean? This is the heading of the article, and what does this mean? First of all, let's get into it. The very first word I would wish to discuss with you people is premeditated. Now, premeditated, it means, it is, first of all, it's an adjective because it is qualifying the noun, that's act. Premeditated means well thought of, जो कि पहले से सोचा हुआ है, like something sort of or planned. I would say planned earlier or planned beforehand. पहले से सोचा हुआ, pre-planned जिसे हम कहते हैं. So a premeditated act is not an unintended error. वो एक गलती नहीं है, वो एक unintentional गलती नहीं है जो आपने जानबूझकर नहीं की हो, right? Now, अब ये कौन सी गलती की बात कर रही है, क्या चीज है जो पहले से सोच कर रखी थी, वो हम आगे आर्टिकल में let's see. Setting the record straight for 2 articles published. Okay. Open page is a section for our articulate readers to express their opinions on a range of issues. Now, articulate. What does this word articulate mean? Articulate का मतलब होता है स्पष्ट. ये एक adjective है. कोई व्यक्ति जो अपनी बात clear तरीके से समझा सकता है, बता सकता है, उसको हम articulate कहते हैं. Articulate को आप कह सकते हो, for example, someone who is clear in thinking, clear in expressing, okay, और effective, और एक और जो इसका synonym जो use होता है, that is eloquent, जो काफी बारी one word substitutions में भी पूछा जाता है. Readers to express their opinions on a range of issues. They not only bring in new details but also explore areas that are often overlooked by regular opinion writers. Now, overlooked, okay, this is verb, third form of verb. ये पैसिव फॉर्म में है, इसीलिए आर के साथ हम थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज कर रहे हैं. ओवरलुक्ड मतलब इग्नोर्ड, नजरअंदाज कर देना. ओके. Over the years, the page has grown to become a site for new voices. Though the articles are contributions from readers, the rules that govern the page are no different from the rules governing the other pages of this newspaper. The Hindu expects the same exacting standards from the contributors to the open page. No tolerance for plagiarism. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is copying. कोई चीज को copy करना. This is noun. इसे आप कह सकते हैं साहित्यक, जो साहित्य की चोरी होती है, जो राइटिंग्स जो होती हैं उनकी अगर आप चोरी कर रहे हैं, that is plagiarism. Talking to young journalists, I often cite the words. Cite का मतलब होता है state करना, mention करना. Simple सा word है, verb है, action word है. Words of caution of my predecessor K. Narayan. Plagiarism is a dread word for news persons. But what does not prevent subtle resort to the practice by some? Subtle का मतलब होता है decent. It's an adjective. सहज जिसे हम कहते हैं. In hope that they will not be found out, and when they are, the ignominy sticks and sticks. Ignominy का मतलब होता है बदनामी. Okay, जिसे हम कहते हैं public shame. Okay, this is noun. At the cost of repeating myself, let me assure readers that there's zero tolerance for ethical breaches in this newspaper. Breach. Breach is to break the law or the legalities of something. Okay, तोड़ना, कुछ illegal करना, ठीक है. Proven plagiarism by journalists has led to termination of employment, and in case of external contributors, the offending article is taken down, removed. Taken down means removed, हटा देना. Removed from or taken down from the website, and the writer name is named and blacklisted. अगर आप plagiarize कर रहे हैं तो इस article, कोई article इस newspaper में देने के लिए, beware now. In journalism, there is no limit, as in the legal circles, for correction and clarification. This week, we received a complaint that a web exclusive in the open page section, It's in the Family, April 5, 2020, by Partha Pratim Majumdar, was plagiarized. The article had reproduced sentences word for word from a lead article written by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu in our sister publication. The Hindu Business Line way back in May 2018 under the headline Why the Indian Family is a Great Institution. When our examination revealed, what does reveal mean? To show, okay, to come to mention or to state something, किसी चीज को सामने लाना, ठीक है, या जिसे हम कहते हैं प्रकाशित करना. What it revealed that there was an ethical breach. The editor blacklisted the contributor and took down the article from a website with a disclaimer. This article has been withdrawn. Withdrawn also means to take down. मतलब या फिर withdrawn आप कह सकते हैं लेना कहीं से. Has been withdrawn or has been taken. Okay. From a publication since parts of it were found to have been plagiarized. While we are on the topic of correction setting the record straight, let me share another issue which we examined this week. Gentlemen in flannels and fatigues. Learners, flannel का मतलब होता है flattery. Noun है जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं चापलूसी. और fatigue जो है वो भी noun है. इसका मतलब होता है tiredness, जिसे हम कहते हैं थकान. So ये इनका आर्टिकल था, Gentlemen in Flannels and Fatigues. An interesting short essay by S.T. Wombatker dealt with how Colonel Cricketer Hemu Adhikari dealt with indiscipline in his ranks. The problem was not with the article but with the archival photograph. Now, see, archival is an adjective. ये एक एडजेक्टिव है. आर्काइवल इज रिलेटेड टू आर्काइव. आर्काइव का मतलब होता है रिलेटेड और रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ पास्ट. रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ पास्ट और यू कैन से हिस्ट्री. रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ पास्ट और हिस्ट्री. ओके, जिसे हम पुरालेख कहते हैं. हिंदी में हम क्या कहते हैं? पुरालेख. सो आर्काइवल फोटोग्राफ के साथ प्रॉब्लम था, मतलब कि उनके आर्टिकल में कोई प्लेजरिज्म नहीं था, बट शायद उनकी जो फोटोग्राफ उन्होंने डाला था उस आर्टिकल के साथ वो कुछ गड़बड़ था. देखते हैं क्या. The caption for the photograph read, former test cricketer Hemu Adhikari left with Mustaq Ali right. Sports writer Gulu Askal wrote to us, the person on the left of the photo is not Hemu Adhikari, it's Chandu Sarwat. The one on the right is not Mustaq Ali as he did not wear glasses. Wombat K wrote to us to flag the same issue. He wrote to us after consulting his friend who happens to be Nana Joshi's nephew that the photograph was of Joshi. How did the error happen? Like nobody knows how did it go. Now archives need to be scrutinized too. Archives जो हैं, जो पुराने records हैं, इनको भी scrutinize करना होगा, इनको भी investigate करना होगा, इनकी भी कहते हैं ना छानाबीन, okay, वो करनी होगी. The Hindu has an enviable collection of photos. Enviable means desirable, जिसे हम कहते हैं वांछित. This is an adjective. Enviable collection of photos in its library. Our archives are a researcher's delight. All bromide photographs have been scanned and labeled for digital use. Photographers used to write captions behind the photographs in the earlier days. Those captions are now tagged to the digitally stored images. The desk in good faith trusted the original caption writer and decided to use the vintage photograph. Vintage मतलब जो पुरानी होती है, जो कि बिल्कुल पुरानी फोटोग्राफ्स हैं, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं जो हाई क्वालिटी फोटोग्राफ्स हैं. अब देखिए, trusted the original caption writer and decided to use the vintage photograph. While issuing corrections, one of the tasks we perform is ensuring that mistakes do not recur. Recur means reoccur. This is a verb एक्शन वर्ड recur, मतलब दोहराना, ठीक है, दोहराना. While archives are a goldmine of information images, they are not free from errors, wrong classifications, and attributions. Academic Nicholas B. Dirk's anthology. Now, anthology is something related to what? It is collection of poems and writings. इसको हम कहते हैं संकलन. Noun है ये. Of essays, autobiography of an archive is widely seen as a documentation of scholarship in the intersection between history and anthropology. Now, intersection मतलब इन दोनों का meeting point जो है. इसका meeting point history and anthropology. Anthropology study किस चीज की study है? Anthropology भी noun है. This is study of human. Okay, study of human societies. जिसे हम कहते हैं मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान. I will write it down. मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान इसे हम कहते हैं. Dealing with both colonial and post-colonial India. Mr. Dirk's personal encounters with archives show that collected documents not only provide sources but also lay out the boundaries for research on subjects. I hope colonial का मतलब सबको पता है. Colonial is जो British India था, ठीक है, जो कि British colonies के time का जो period था. He asks academics to shun single disciplinary perspective. Shun मतलब, what does this word mean? Shun. To remove, to avoid, जिसे हम कहते हैं टाल देना. Shun is an action word. Okay, archival material also deserves close scrutiny by the desk before publishing. So, भले ही कि वो archive है, वो records है, history के records है, but उनको भी ध्यान से scrutinize करना होगा, investigate करना होगा, फिर ही पेश करना होगा. Otherwise, what would happen is the same errors like those. अभी जो हमने बात किया, for example, the photograph of the scriptures, right? This could hamper it. Okay, so this is it. The article is completed here. So the number of words that we've discussed is, I suppose, more than 15 to 20 words have been like discussed, and amazing words like enviable, shun. You can also see intersection. You can see archive, scrutinize, recur. See, it is a small word, but see, the word is similar to is reoccur. So अगर आप अपने speaking में या अपने writings में reoccur की जगह recur use करते हैं, so it becomes beautiful, or it seems that okay, you have the vocabulary power, you have that power, right? So you can easily use these words and you can enhance your vocabulary. You can be confident. So do not forget to revise these words. I will come back with another session for this, for vocabulary, and we would learn a lot many new words with these articles. Till then, keep learning and growing. And if you love the session, do not forget to press the like button, hit the like button for us. And thank you so much for that. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the regular notification and you do not miss anything. Thank you so much, learners.